I'm Donald Bell for Cool Tools, and in this video I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools for cleaning up around my workshop, tub of towels. I got a tub of 90 of these for around $13 on Amazon, and if you want to get these same ones, you can use the Amazon link. I keep shop rags in my garage for generally wiping oil or paint or glue off my hands or knocking sawdust off things, but sometimes I'll get my hands on some salvaged gear that's so grimy and crusty that I know a rag's not going to cut it. These disposable tub of towels wet wipes have been perfect for these situations. Unlike household wipes, these are larger, measuring 10 inches by 12 inches, closer to a shop rag or a chamois. They're also thicker, like a big paper towel, but strong enough that I don't worry about them shredding. I recently got my hands on an old electric scooter that was all caked up with mud and spider webs. Using one of these, I was able to clean it up pretty well. There's a citrus oil in these that cuts through grease, but there's also an aloe and a lanolin, which is nice on your hands and also helps moisturize bleached out plastic like this. I see a lot of reviewers who are using these to clean the plastic trim or hubcaps on their cars. They're also just a good heavy-duty hand wipe if you've got a dirty job. I can typically get a few good wipes out of one of these across the day before it dries out. That's tub of towels. You can get a pack of 40 or 90 on Amazon, though 90 is usually the better value. They're an oversized, heavy-duty wet wipe, good for getting grease and gunk off your hands or whatever you're working on. They also have a nice citrus smell that's not overpowering. You can pick some up using the link in the description, and remember, you can see thousands of reader-recommended tools like this at cool-tools.org.